Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Vidushi. I'm from Saharanpur. There are 5 members in my family. I like gardening. I completed my graduation, and I like to play cricket. No, no, not cricket. I like to. This is exactly what happens when you go for a job interview unprepared. Guys, when the interviewer asks you, tell me about yourself question, he wants to know you professionally. So the safest approach to answer this question is to keep it work related. Because if you are telling me how many members are there in your family, what are your likings, dislikings, as a friend, I would love to know about all this. But if I'm interviewing you for my company, I would rather like to know how skilled you are, whether you are a perfect fit for the position we are hiring for or not. Well, you must be wondering, when the interviewer already has my resume in his hand, what exactly he wants to know about. Well, he wants to see how confident you are as an individual, how positive you are, how presentable you are, and most importantly, what you bring to the table. What bigger problems of the company could you solve? So you need to emphasize on these topics when you are answering the question, tell me about yourself. Well, this is Vidyushi, your English communication coach from Ocean English Academy, and in today's video, I would like to walk you through quick steps to answer tell me about yourself question confidently and land up that job opportunity you deserve. Now, whatever tips I'm going to share with you are based on my 10 years of work experience, initial 2 years appearing for endless job interviews, and then later 8 years hiring potential candidates for my own company. So you can completely rely on the tips I'm going to share with you. Let's begin. To simplify this question for you, let's break it down into 3 areas. In part 1, I would like you to explain who you are professionally: a web developer, an animator, a banker, a trainer, coach, or maybe something more interesting. Just need to explain that. In the second part, you could explain why you are qualified for this position. And in third part, you just need to sum up explaining what you are doing there, like why you decided to be interviewed, what exactly your future goals, and that should be all. So if you are a recent graduate, start with the fact that you have recently graduated, and you can explain exactly why did you choose this career path, why did you choose this area of study. Now let's look at the example. Sure. Well, first of all, thank you so much for shortlisting me for this interview. My name is Vidyushi Kaushik. I have recently graduated with my degree in animation. Now, why I chose that path of study? Because I have always been fascinated by animated movies, and certainly it leads to great career options. If you have 1 to 8 years of work experience, start with the moment when you graduated and give them a quick walkthrough of your employment experience. Here goes the sample answer. Sure. Well, first of all, thank you so much for shortlisting me for this interview. My name is Vidyushi Kaushik, and I'm a professional animator with 7 years of work experience, specializing in 2D animation and graphic designing. Now, to answer the second part of the question, you need to explain why you are qualified for this job position. And if you want to perform really well in this part of the question, please research the company beforehand. Read the job description very carefully in particular. You must know what skills exactly company care about the most. So accordingly, you could tailor your answer. You can align your skills to the job description carefully, so it becomes easier for the employer to understand that yes, you are the perfect fit. So you can highlight the key accomplishments you have achieved, talk about the projects you have done, work you have done, skills you have learned. If you have received any promotions recently, do talk about that. And most importantly, if you ever helped your previous employer to solve a bigger problem, please do talk about that. Now let's look at the sample answer. These 7 years have taught me a lot about animation industry. working with different kinds of clients on different kinds of projects, working under tremendous stress to meet the deadlines, giving presentations, always being available to make those last minute changes in the projects and whatnot. And I'm glad to mention that in my current company, I have won several performance awards and I have been promoted thrice. And if you are a fresher, be ready to cook up some stories. You need to learn how you could hype up even the smaller things. So you need to talk about the workshops or seminars you have attended, any freelance project you have delivered, or even if you are spending time to improve on your English communication skills, do talk about that proudly. But the secret is, let your qualification and work experience directly relevant to the job description. Along with my degree, I have also mastered digital painting and sketching, which makes designing part so effortless for me. And I'm glad to mention that I try to train myself on multiple fronts. So I took so many crash courses to improve on business communication skills, presentation skills, soft skills, drafting business proposals, and so forth. Now, as a third step, simply conclude your answer by explaining your current situation. So you could talk about what you are looking forward to doing next in your career. That must show the employer, the interviewer, that you are really excited about working with the company. Simple answer. And now I'm all prepared to apply my gained knowledge into practice. Although I love my current role, but I feel I'm prepared to take more challenging assignments now, and this position really excites me. Now, if you have your job interview scheduled in a couple of days, I would like to share quick 4 tips with you that will help you to make it up. Number 1, make proper eye contact with the employer. Look straight into his eyes and have a cheerful smile on your face because it shows that you are confident. Number 2, do not rush through your sentences, because when you start speaking faster, you have fast rate of speech, it becomes difficult for you to sync your thought process with your mouth muscles, and you start fumbling, you start speaking wrong sometimes, and even it shows to the interviewer that you are a little nervous. So the tip is, if you are required to give the whole interview in English, keep it slow, make it slow. Tip number 3, make a list of the points you want to convey. If you want to sound very confident in a job interview, at least for a couple of days, do practice the points you want to expand in your interview. It will make it much easier for you to present yourself confidently in a job interview. Number 4, do not learn difficult words from internet, because that will make you forget everything. What was that word? Your emphasis should rather be on what ideas you want to convey, what exactly you should speak. That makes the difference. Bonus tip, if you get lost while answering this question, simply ask the employer to rephrase the question. You could ask him exactly what he would like to know, because it is better to speak something than being completely quiet. That dead air, that silence, it kills everything. So if you feel lost or tongue-tied in the middle of your job interview, do ask the questions to the interviewer, like, would you like me to talk about A? Would you like me to talk about B? And it will make it much easier for you to handle the conversation. Well, this is all for now. I wish you all the best. Make that great first impression that leads you a job offer. All the best. Keep learning, keep practicing. Sky is the limit.